was founded by accident. HONK NYC was founded at a dinner party in 2007 in Brooklyn, New York, between two bands, between Hungry March Band from Brooklyn and Pink Puffer's brass band from Rome. In 2008, we had another New York City HONK after party. And this time, Titu Banda, also from Rome, and Environmental Encroachment from Chicago, came to New York. In 2009, we decided to get organized, and we decided we would call our festival BONK, the Brooklyn HONK Festival. And then in 2012, we kind of thought, let's ally ourselves with our mother festival in Somerville. And so we created the name HONK NYC for ourselves.
first came to Ebbetsfield Middle School in fall of 2018, I had been working with HONK NYC maybe a little over a year at that point, and helping with some of the education initiatives and organizing some of the events. And there was an opportunity for a band from New Orleans, New Creations Brass Band, to come and visit my middle school where I teach. I was a brand new music teacher. I'd been teaching there for just about a year at that point, and I was really excited to bring a band to visit to give my school community an idea of what I wanted to create in a band program. So we're now in the third year at my school of our band program, and it's starting to really get off the ground, which is exciting.
HONK is comprised of people who identify as women.
Be sweet, be beautiful, be glorious, get the people sweating and dancing and dancing and sweating till they fall over, and then they get up, and then they dance some more, and then they march in the streets, and then they vote the fuckers out. Blow your horns, girls! Blow your fucking horns!
Unlike mainstream music, all of the core decision makers of HONK are women. HONK features several women-led bands, like Hungry March Band, the Afro-Brazilian drum corps Batala, and Pussy Grabs Back.
As has been mentioned, we are Pussy Grabs Back, the band, and yeah, we believe that gender is not defined by anatomy, and super important. And yeah, of course, we're always fighting for bodily autonomy, especially in this day and age. Unfortunately, we have to, but we will. Also, some people think that queers should be seen and not heard, but we think, oh,